Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Airtable to money.com in Zapier. So go to your Zapier, press this create button, press Zaps, and it will open up a new window. Here you can see, first of all you can name your Zap. I'm going to name it Airtable to Monday. That's perfect. Now what you have to do is you have to press the trigger button. If you want to send data from Airtable to money.com, select Airtable in trigger. If you want to send data from money.com to Airtable, you have to select money.com in trigger. So let's say I want to send data from Airtable. Select Airtable, and then in the event you have to choose what should trigger this automation. So we only have two options. So we can either go with new or updated record or new record. So whenever there is a new record in Airtable, it will trigger this automation. I'm gonna choose this one. Then it will ask me to connect my account in money.com. You just press this continue button and it asks you to sign in. So you just have to sign in, and then you have to basically press this second option. Then you basically have to select action, and here you have to select money.com. Alright, now you select money.com, go to event, and you have to basically choose what you want to create in money.com. So I want to create a new item, so I select create item, and that is perfect. So what this automation is going to do is whenever there is a new record in Airtable, so for example I add a new record in Airtable, what it will do is it will automatically send that record, the information of that record, to money to create an item in money.com. So this will save me a lot of time. I would not be entering data manually, and this is going to save me a lot of time. Just press continue, sign in, connect your money.com account, and that's perfect. Now just basically press continue and publish your zap once you sign in. So this is how you basically connect Airtable to money.com using Zapier. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.